Google RankBrain algorithm is the machine learning-based component of Google's expansive search algorithm. It's used to help process search results and provide more relevant content for users. Since its inception in 2015, it's been revolutionizing search by making it less about keywords and more about user intent. RankBrain continually improves by using AI to help it learn what people are looking for, and it gets better over time. Google is also trying to figure out you as a user, what you like and dislike. That is the ultimate signal Google is looking for, that you are happy with the search result. It does this by split testing to see which version users prefer. So now it's more important to look at the user experience. Are users staying on your website or bouncing back quickly to another result? They want you to do a quick search, click on a result, and find exactly what you're looking for right away. Fine-tuning your title tags, meta descriptions, and web page content becomes paramount. 10. Quick tips. Adapting your SEO strategy to RankBrain. Focus on satisfying user intent. First, you need to unravel the user's quest and provide exactly what they're looking for. Create the most amazing content that meets their needs. Research related queries and topics to cover all aspects of a subject and go deep. Google began prioritizing user intent over exact keyword matches in 2015, making SEO more about understanding and meeting user needs. Its goal was to find the best matched pages for complex user queries. Elevate click-through rates by weaving captivating headlines that entice users to click. Clearly state what the reader will gain by clicking and appeal to their emotions. Evoke feelings of excitement, curiosity, happiness, or even fear. Use words like how-to, effortless, easy, quick, effective, amazing, and simple. Studies show that negative words like worst or never can perform better than positive ones. Posing a question can pique curiosity. Adding numbers in titles work wonders to enticing clicks. 5 common mistakes that, or 7 proven ways to. Use current year, especially for topics where being up-to-date matters. Make sure your content delivers what the headline promises. Clickbait can harm your credibility and cause high bounce rates. Remember, the purpose of the title tag and description is to get the reader to click and read the article. From there, your content should keep them engaged. Always ensure your content is as good as the headline promises it to be. PROLONG website dwell time. Dwell time is the amount of time a visitor spends on a web page before returning to the search results. This can be an indicator of the page's overall quality. You can improve your time on site by adding audio and video content. It keeps people on your site for longer. You want to have amazing video, audio, and text-based content. Include relevant videos, infographics, and images to enrich the content, but make sure the page still loads quickly. Enhance user experience. Harness heat maps to discover how users interact with your website. Use tools like Crazy Egg and Hotjar. Ensure your site is responsive and has a mobile-friendly design. Optimize page loading speed. If your website loads slow, people will bounce back quickly. Streamline your navigation and make it simple for users to find what they're looking for. Use subheadings, bullet points, and images to break up large blocks of text. Constantly refine content. SEO thrives on incremental enhancements. It's a game you play with Google where you slowly improve your website to climb up to the top of search results. Most sites don't just pop up to the top right away. Gauge metrics like CTR, bounce rate, and time on page. Shape your strategy in sync with user behavior. Make necessary adjustments over time. Elevated user metric scores translate into heightened Google rankings. Champion long-tail keywords. RankBrain is particularly focused on handling never-seen-before or complex, multi-word queries. Write in-depth content that is written in natural language to answer complex user queries and questions. Seize featured snippet spots. Leverage Q&A formats to directly address common user questions. The SEO Dictionary Pro version automates this with the Enable QA Post checkbox. Just add your FAQ into the second content section and format the questions to be in H4 tags. The plugin will take care of the rest. Forge meaningful links. Internal and external linking plays a crucial role in SEO. This promotes a seamless user experience and helps distribute authority and relevance throughout your site. On the other hand, external links provide extra value from sources outside your website. Effective internal and external linking strategies contribute to better user engagement, improved search rankings, and ultimately a stronger online presence for your website. Perform regular SEO audits. SEO audits are essential for evaluating and optimizing a website's performance in search engine rankings. Conducting regular SEO audits helps identify technical issues, content gaps, and areas for improvement that might be affecting the website's visibility. These audits involve a comprehensive review of on-page and off-page factors, including website structure, meta tags, keyword usage, site speed, mobile friendliness, and backlink profile. By meticulously examining these elements, businesses can pinpoint weaknesses and devise strategies to enhance their online presence. Leverage these SEO audit tools: Google Search Console, SEMrush, Ahrefs, Screaming Frog, HubSpot's Website Grader, WooRank, SEO Mater, and My Site Auditor. By focusing on these aspects, you can align your website and content strategy with RankBrain's focus on understanding and satisfying user intent. Remember, RankBrain is just one part of Google's overall ranking algorithm, so it's vital to maintain a well-rounded SEO strategy that complies with Google's general guidelines. Download the SEO Dictionary WordPress plugin. We custom-designed this tool to help you boost your website's SEO performance by curating a glossary of industry-specific terms. Fill your website with relevant educational content to boost your topical authority. Our free version includes social share icons, automatic interlinking between posts, and effortlessly add text, video, and audio content to your website. While you can use the basic version at no cost, consider opting for the Pro version to unlock a suite of advanced features. Use our CSV upload to effortlessly add hundreds of educational articles to your website, Q&A section to address common questions, and a chance to rank for the valuable featured snippet section, an auto-generated table of contents. Elevate your monetization game with our banner advertising feature. Download our SEO Dictionary plugin today.